Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Crystal and she writes, "Good afternoon, Miss Planet." Good afternoon, Crystal. "I know you are so busy and I looked everywhere on your site for a centerpiece with more greenery than flowers. I was praying and hoping you could take a look at this and see if you can make it. Fingers crossed that you do. Thank you so much. I am a huge fan." Well, Crystal, you are so sweet and we so appreciate your words of encouragement. And guess what? Not only did we recreate this blissfully green centerpiece, I'm also going to show you a $5 Dollar Tree candle vase option. Okay? It's very simple. I know that's a lot of words, but I'm so excited to show you how we're going to create this on a budget. So with that being said, let's get started with this week's episode, Blissfully Green Wedding Centerpiece with $5 Dollar Tree Candle Holder Option. Whew. All right, guys, let's get to it. For this centerpiece, I'm going to give you two options. The first is the chrome one, and that runs right at about $16, $17 a piece. And the second one is this one we created with tapered candle holders from the Dollar Tree in a margarita glass. Yes, you heard it, margarita glass. So we're going to put it together by simply first attaching, I do it separate pieces. We're going to attach two of the candle holders with our E6000, let that dry overnight for a little bit, and then we're going to turn, once it's dry, we're going to turn our margarita glass upside down and attach the first set of candle holders to it, stacking two more on top. So there you have it, two beautiful options. You get to pick. Well, Crystal, what do you think? It's absolutely stunning. I can imagine this at a beautiful outdoor or indoor reception. Well, if you like this video, by all means like it. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, just click on that little bell right down there in the description area and you will get a special notification from us the moment the videos are live. Remember, if you have a comment or a question, please go ahead and put it in the comment box. I answer all questions personally. Now, give me a little time, but I do answer them. So if you have a question or a concern, or you just want to give us some words of encouragement, head on down to the comment section and do that right there. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten rebate account, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free and they pay you to shop. Head on down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as eBase. When you're ready to shop, sign onto your account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's just that simple. In addition to that, don't forget to check out our MissPlanItShop.com. We have some fantastic planning guides for you there to help you plan the wedding event, or just help your maid of honor help you plan the wedding event of your dreams. Head on over there and look at all of the planning guides that we have just for you to help you just have a fantastic day. So it's there for you. Right now, our maid of honor binders, our planners are just really flying off the shelves, and we're just so happy that they are helping you. In addition to that, I want you to know that our very own artificial flowers will be going on sale on our Amazon account very, very soon. If you want to know the moment those flowers are available, go ahead and sign up for our newsletter and you will get a special notification. I'm so excited. We've been working on our flowers for months, and I am so excited to have them be available to you for all of your project needs. If you just want to hang out with me some more, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and check out our MissPlanIt home channel. It is exclusively on our website, and that is where I do projects at my own home, as well as the home of my family and friends. So if you want to hang out with me a little bit longer, head on over there and let's do some more DIYing. Well, our time has fast come to an end. I so appreciate you taking the time out to join us for MissPlanIt every week. We know you have so many options on YouTube. We also want to remind you all of the links to the supplies as well as the project cost are always in the description below each video. Click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, and you will have all the information there at your fingertips. Don't forget, if you would like us to help you with the project, head on over or head down to the description and click on the project request link, or head over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and click on the project request tab. Follow the easy steps. All that I say is do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast. If you haven't checked out our website, what are you waiting on? We have so many extras on there that we can't include on our weekly show because we just don't have enough time. But if you head on over there, we have a resource library with just free planning tools, just free stuff. So check out our website, MissPlanIt.com, and there you can also watch our MissPlanIt home channel. Well, guys, it was a blast hanging out with you. And so until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.